Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss Akbarnama and Badshahnaama. Akbarnama basically is a biography of Akbar. Akbarnama is a biography of Akbar. Badshahnaama, if we talk, Badshahnaama is a biography of Shahjahan. Second point, Akbarnama, it is written by Abul Fazl. Written by Abul Fazl. If we talk about Badshahnaama, it is a biography of Shahjahan. This biography is also referred as Shahjahan Nama, or we can say Badshahnaama, or we can say Badshahnaama. Shahjahanama, Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama. Now what is the difference between Shahjahanama, Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama? Shahjahan were written by Inayat Khan, whereas Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama was written by Abd al-Lahori. Abd al-Lahori written Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama, whereas Shahjahanama was written by Inayat Khan. Now, what is the basic difference between Shahjahanama and Badshahnaama? Shahjahanama is without illustration. Without illustration. But Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama is with illustration. Now, let us discuss what is the difference between illustration. Now let me tell you, there was a mountain. Near to the mountain there was tree, and next to the tree there was some river. That is a story I tell you. Tree, river and mountains were near to each other. That is, without picturization is called an illustration. But if in illustration, I draw some tree, there were some mountains and there were river, means with picturization. When we talk about illustration, it contains pictures. So, Badshahnaama and Badshahnaama is illustration. With illustration means with picturization. Whereas Shahjahanama is without illustration, means without any picturization. Next. There are few words. Let us discuss about the words. First word is manuscript. Second is inscription. Third is chronicles. And the fourth is chronology. Now let us learn these four words. Manuscript means handwritten document, which is written by hand. It's called a manuscript. Written means which is written on soft surface. Soft surface means paper, leaves, etc., which is written, handwritten on soft surface like paper and leaves is called manuscript. But if you talk about inscription, inscription writing on hard surface. Hard surface means writing on pillar, stones, etc. Let me give you an example of inscription, that is Ashok pillar inscription. Ashoka pillar inscription. Here we have used the word inscription because Ashok inscription was written on pillars, on stones, on caves, on walls. So anything that is written on hard surface is called inscription. Stone, pillar or any hard surface is called inscription. Chronicles. Chronicles means history. History of king, history of queen, any history of any document is called chronicles. Let us talk about the history of Akbar, Babur, Shahjahan. Akbar history, Akbar biography is called Akbarnama. Babur biography is called Baburnaama. Shahjahan biography is called Shahjahanama, or Badshahnaama or Badshanama. Shahjahanama means without any illustration, without any picturization. Badshanama and Badshanama with illustration, with picturization. Here I have written the word with picturization, means which contain pictures of events. That is the difference between Badshanama, Badshanama and the Badshanama. Next, Akbar. Nama is of Akbar. Akbar, written by Abu Fazl. Babar Nama is of Babar, written by Babar. Babar, right in biography itself, Babar. Next is Shahjahanama. It is written by Inayat Khan. Shahjahanama was written by Inayat Khan, I-N-A-Y-A-T, Inayat Khan. Whereas Badshanama and Badshanama were written by Abd al-Lahori. Abd al-Lahori. Next word is chronicles. Chronicles I tell you history. But if we talk about chronology means time period of anything. It's called chronology. Now let us talk about chronicles. According to your history book, according to history of India, history of Akbarnama and Badshanama were well known. Most important, most known, most favorite history chronicles of that time is of Akbarnama and Badshanama, basically of Akbar and Shahjahan. This point is each manuscript contains an average of 150. This is the most important point. 150 full page. Full page means this one. A page or double page. One is full page or double page. Double page means this one. When two pages combined, it's called double page. Each manuscript contains an average of 150 full page painting or double page painting of. किसकी painting होती थी? Of battles, of seas, of building construction, of court scene, of hunts. इन सब की आपके पास painting होती थी. Full page or double page painting. The question arises: how many pages a manuscript contains? Each manuscript contains an average of 150. 150 full page painting or double page painting. Next, the chronicles is based on range of sources. ये chronicles, ये history, ये इतिहास किस पे based था? Sources पे based था. Sources कौन से थे? Actual record of events, जो actual events थे, उनका record. Official document, जितने भी मुगल टाइम पे official document थे, कोर्ट के document होते थे. तीसरा, oral testimony of knowledgeable persons. जितने भी knowledgeable persons होते थे उनकी याददाश्त के आधार पर, मेमोरी के आधार पर जितने भी टेस्टिमनीज बनते थे, जितनी भी चीजें लिखी जाती थी उनके आधार पर. So chronicles is based on range of sources. Chronicles का मतलब क्या था? हिस्ट्री. हिस्ट्री किस पे बेस्ड थी? कैसे पता चलता था? कैसे लिखी जाती थी? 3 पॉइंट आए. एक्चुअल रिकॉर्ड ऑफ इवेंट्स पे, जो एक्चुअल में रिकॉर्ड है हमारे पास. ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट में विच वर अवेलेबल इन द मुगल कोड एट दैट टाइम. एंड ओरल टेस्टिमनी, मुंह से बोली हुई बातें, मेमोरी के बेस पे, मेमोरी के आधार पे ऑफ नॉलेजेबल पर्सन. So this was all about Akbarnama, Badshanama, a little bit. So today in the first class we will know about this Akbarnama and Babarnama. Akbarnama, let us revise once again. Akbarnama, biography of Akbar, written by Abu Fazl. Badshanama, biography of Shahjahan, written by biography is divided into 2 to 3 parts. First is called Shahjahanama, second is called Badshanama or Padshanama. Shahjahanama is written by Inayat Khan. Badshanama or Padshanama is written by Abd al-Lahori. First word is manuscript, second word is inscription, third word is chronicles, fourth word is chronology. I already told you manuscript means handwritten document on a soft surface. Soft surface means page, notebook page or leaves. Inscription, writing on hard surface like stones, pillars, caves, etc. Example, Ashoka pillar inscription. Ashoka pillar inscription was there on caves on pillars. Next is chronicles, history, इतिहास, like history of Akbar, history of Babur, history of Shah Jahan. Akbar history is known as Akbarnama, biography. Babur, Baburnama, Shah Jahanama, Badshahnaama. Difference between Shah Jahanama, Badshahnaama. Shah Jahan without any illustration means simple text. Badshahnaama with illustration, with picturization. The difference between. Chronicles is the next one. History of Akbar and Badshahnaama are most well known history. Each manuscript contains an average of 150. Each manuscript contains 150 either full page or double page. This is a page is called full page, but when two pages combined it's called double page. Full page or double page painting of किसकी होती थी? Of all the battles, of all the seas, of all the building construction, of all the court scene, of all the hulls. About this a manuscript contains each and every painting. And the last is the chronicle is based on range of sources. किस पे based the chronicles? Actual record of events. Second, official document which were available in the Mughal code. And the oral testimony of knowledgeable persons. Oral testimony means that is based on your memory. So this was all about a little bit about Akbarnama and Badshahnaama. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.